Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kristen. I work at the Berlin branch of the Worcester County Library. And today, I'm going to show you how to make some no-bake pretzel, peanut butter pretzel bars. And they're in honor of National Pretzel Day, which is April 26th. You will need 2 cups of crushed pretzels. I just bought a bag of pretzels. I'll show you how to crush them up, and you just pour them into a measuring cup until you get 2 cups. I'll show a very easy way and not messy at all how to crush those. 1½ cups of semi-sweet or milk chocolate morsels, 12 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1½ cups powdered sugar, 1¼ cups of creamy peanut butter divided. I would measure out 1 cup, and then I would measure out a 1/4 cup, a 2nd cup, and a 2nd measuring cup, and some cooking spray. And for your equipment, you are going to need a can of cooking spray, a large mixing bowl, and some sort of Ziploc bag that is for crushing your pretzels. You will need 2 measuring cups, a spoon and a knife, a rubber or silicone spatula, a 13 by 9 by 2 dish, and some aluminum foil. Alrighty, the first thing you're going to want to do is measure off some foil and line your 13 by 9 by 2 dish with it. Then you're going to take some cooking spray and you're going to spray that in there as well. Since you work in peanut butter, this is sticky, so you need everything well greased. Okay. Now, once you have done that, you're going to need to take your pretzels, put them in a bag, just a little at a time. I already had some crushed already, but put in, I don't know, a couple pretzels at a time. Take a coffee mug, your measuring cup, whatever, and just crunch, crunch, crunch. And then stop when you're at the consistency that you like. I like a mixture of big and little pieces. There, these pretzels are crunched. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your 12 tablespoons of butter, cut them into chunks, and you're going to microwave that until it's melted, and check it every 20 seconds or so. Stirring it. Depends on how strong of a microwave you have, really. Alrighty, I'm going to put this in the microwave, and I'm going to check that every 20 seconds. Alrighty, you can see here that my butter has been melted. It's nice and liquidy. There's no chunks in it. And here's the pretzels. And whoopsie, I'm going to put in some pretzels. I'm going to put in my confectioner's sugar. My peanut butter. This is 1 cup of peanut butter. And this should come out of here pretty easy because I greased the inside of this. I mean, it's still going to be sticky, but then pour that melted butter. This you have to mix very well. Gonna have to mess around with it a bit. Probably should have used a larger bowl, but I know how much this kind of makes. Now, I'm wearing gloves, so I can, like a meat loaf, if I'm not satisfied, make sure that is thoroughly mixed. All right, then you're going to take this mixture, you're going to put it in your pan. Press it down, spread it out. I'm going to use a spoon in a second, or this. I'm going to take off my glove because I don't need it anymore. I'm going to spray my spatula. And I'm going to flatten this out. It's going to take you a bit to do, especially if you want to try to get it the same depth, width, whatever you want to call it, level. You want it to be level. Getting too difficult, just spray again. I try really hard for it to be even. That's why I like using a spatula. Or a spoon can do it too. It's not going to be perfect, but I get it in the corner there. All right, that's pretty good. And I'm going to try to take out whatever's in here. Now, you're going to need to clean your area, which I'm going to do right now. Alrighty, as you can see, I've cleaned my area. I was in desperate need of a cleanup. I've cleaned my bowl because I'm going to need to use it again. Here you can see is my peanut butter pretzel and butter crust. Now, I'm going to take the remaining 1/4 cup of peanut butter. And this bag of semi-sweet chocolate milk. Put that in your bowl. You're going to put it in the microwave, and you are going to check this every 30 seconds and stir every 30 seconds until this is very, very smooth and creamy. Here's my first 30 seconds. You can see that the peanut butter has been melted. I'm going to stir that thoroughly before I put it in for another 30. I think that's good enough. Here comes my, put it back in. 30 seconds. Second 30 seconds. So this is what it looks like after a minute. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to do it at least one more time. I still see some morsel shapes in there. And you need this to be very smooth and creamy because you need to be able to pour it over your pretzel crust. Alrighty. Here's my last microwave. I might even stop it at 20 seconds. Yeah, here is 1 minute and 20 seconds. Now, you could definitely pour this over. Now, I'm gonna try to pour this as kind of evenly as I can, and then scoop the rest out to the center. All right, very easy to spread. All righty, now once you have that spread over it and looking the way you would like, you're just going to put this in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. And I will see you in 1 hour. Alrighty, welcome back. Here you can see that this has been chilling in the refrigerator. I actually left this overnight. If you remember, we lined the pan with foil and we sprayed the foil. Here's the reason why. You're gonna lift out your pretzel bar slab, peel off your foil. Now, you can leave it like that. If you like, doesn't matter. Take your knife, and it will be, difficult to cut. You will need a sharp knife. You just cut into the size pieces that you would like. These can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature or in the fridge, depending on how warm the house is. If it was summertime here, I would put this in the fridge. But you have to use your own judgment. I hope that you enjoy these. They're in honor of National Pretzel Day, which is April 26th, but feel free to enjoy these all year long. Thank you for viewing our program today. If you would like to see more like these, please visit our website at www.worcesterlibrary.org or follow us on Facebook. Enjoy your no-bake peanut butter pretzel bars. Alrighty, there's my first slice down this pan, and you can see that kind of broke off. You can break them in half if you like. I mean, it's up to you. Here's one that's broken. Here's one that will be cut. I can feel this melting a little bit already. Alrighty. Take a little bit here. Taste it myself. Very nice, very, very good. Everyone will enjoy these.